and I'm feeling low.
What is up, kids? We are at Disney's All-Star Sports Resort. It's been a while since we've done a Disney video, or any kind of video, if we're being absolutely honest with each other, and I apologize from the bottom of my heart. Not the point. The point is we are here. We are gonna show you the new renovated, I say new, it's been like a year now? 2 maybe? I don't know, it's been a while, but they renovated the rooms at all the All-Stars. This is our first time being at All-Star Sports since the renovation, so it's new to me. I'm gonna show you, and we're gonna do that. Cool. All right, right off the bat, when you walk in the door, you are greeted with this thing. It's the fridge, that's the mini fridge, but I don't know what the thing that's holding it is. Like, it could have been a dresser. Like, it seems like a lot of wasted space. They could have, you know, utilized. Not the point. There's the mini fridge. There's a mirror. There's a cool little table thingy. Desk, I suppose. There's all of our stuff. Don't mind that. That didn't come with the room. Another chair. TV. TV stand. Dresser. King size bed. Because we are here without kids for once, and it's great. It's great. I love my kids, don't get me wrong. But we needed a adult vacation. So, break time, not the point. Let's go back to the room. You're here to see the room. King size bed, other nightstand thing, really cool, goofy on a surfboard art here, All-Star Surf. That's because we are in the Surf's Up building. I'm not sure what the other buildings look like, if they're that drastically different. Honestly, I have no idea. I think we were in the Surf's Up buildings last time we came. Obviously, they're drastically different now because they weren't renovated at the time. But let's keep looking at the room, shall we? Another really cool feature of the All-Star Sports Resort is the wallpaper banner. They have all the different Disney characters playing different sports. There is a coat rack thing here with characters on it. It's character stuff. You've got a standard sink, mirror with a fat dude holding the camera, extra pillow, towels, that sort of thing. Same decoration motif. Now, because, you know, I'm a crippled old man, we do have the accessible room, which means there's a walk-in shower tub thing, doop, with just, you know, just tile floor, whatever. I don't really know how to describe, well, that's bad. I don't really know how to describe that, but that is the feature of the accessible room. So if you're like me, hobbling around after a long day of being in the park with a cane, feel like you're gonna fall over, you can just fall straight onto the tile.
This looks so good.
Not really, just kidding. What?
I'm so hungry. I was looking at the in-room service menu for delivery. It looks really good. I'm hungry. We gotta go eat. It'll be fun.
And I'm the fat one.
I eat a lot.
I don't understand it, people.
I love pizza.
I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get it. Anyway, let's go look at some more stuff around the room before we close this out. All right, if we go to the pool later, I will make sure to get better footage, but behind this giant seashell thing, this is the All-Star Sports main pool. Like I said, I apologize we're not down there. I just want to get some footage of that to show you in case we don't go. We'll see what happens. Okay, moving on. So as we've covered in previous vlogs, one of the big advantages to staying on site at a Disney resort is Disney transportation. You get to take the buses from your resort to the parks, or in our case right now, Disney Springs. As far as the All-Stars go, they share a bus system. So if you're coming down for more than a weekend, see, we're only here for tonight. So we're only using the buses to go to Disney Springs and then later Hollywood Studios for Galaxy's Edge. If you are staying for any extended period of time, I always recommend you spend a little bit of extra money to upgrade either to Pop Century or stay at one of the nicer resorts. That bus is loud. But always recommend that you spend a little bit extra to upgrade, just so you don't have to wait, because basically we're at All-Star Sports. They're gonna pick us up. We're gonna have to ride to All-Star Music, then All-Star Movies, and then to our destination. Same with drop-offs. Everybody staying at all 3 All-Stars resorts piles on to the buses, and then they drop off in order. Something to keep in mind. Again, your mileage may vary, but for us, we do the All-Stars for single night or day trips. If we're staying longer, we go somewhere with a dedicated bus. Boop. Going back to the point that I was making earlier about the buses, the other thing with all 3 resorts sharing a single bus to and from a destination, you end up like this when you try to leave a place such as Disney Springs. Whereas I'll turn this around. There's the line for Coronado. There's the line for that other one that I can't read. As you can see, no line, no waiting, because it's just one resort, so they can get them on each bus if there's people waiting. Here you've got 3 resorts worth of people waiting and only 1 bus. It will fill up before we get there because we're at the back of the line. We'll be waiting for the next one. Something to keep in mind. Good morning, kids. We had such a long day at Batu yesterday that I didn't do any of the hotel amenities, and I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's just jingling.
Jingle, 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 jingle. But I wanted to close this out because, you know, in true Dorky Dad fashion, I gotta give the brutally honest with the good. So just real quick, showcase, you know, some of the negatives here in the room. The biggest one is power outlets. I had to move the nightstand to plug in my phone, and then the only other outlet in the entire room is over here, and as you can see, really super far away from the nightstand. The nightstands have a hole in the top as if they're supposed to be able to run wires, but there's nothing outlet wise. Other than that, there's not really not a lot of negative to say. Obviously I've got a ton of electronic stuff, so the outlets are kind of important to me. But the only other negative I would say, compared to a moderate or above, we do have an in-room refrigerator. There is, however, no microwave or anything. I think the moderates, it's been a while since I did moderate. Do they come? I don't know. But the refrigerator's cool, but like, say for example, you get pizza from the cafeteria and you want to have it later. You got cold pizza, which is not always a bad thing. Sorry, I'm tired.
I should have filmed what I ate last night. Like, that was a lot of food. I got a kid's meal. We came back last night and I was starving, so I got a kid's piece of pizza from the cafeteria, and it was ginormous. So, I mean, it was $6 for pizza, a breadstick, and a cookie, and a drink. So, I mean, and they had other options too for your sides, but it was a good deal. You could do that.
Yeah, an adult could very easily eat a kid's meal, and that goes for pretty much any kid's meal at Disney. Yeah. So yeah. I don't know, I guess I'm gonna close this out. I don't know how long the video is gonna be. I'm sorry if it's super short, but we have got so much to do this weekend that there'll be videos and content. So thank you for watching. Thanks for joining us as we walked around Disney's All-Star Sports. As always,
you can say it's your channel.
Stay dorky.